Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. I'm just on my little moped that I've rented for the day. So I hired this for 450 pesos. Nice little pink motorbike. I'm gonna go on a road trip up to the Chocolate Hills. So it takes about an hour to drive up there from Alona Beach. So I'll be driving up there now. Got all my camera stuff with me. It's super hot, but it's very nice. So I was hoping to get up there for sunset. So I'm just at the tip of Bohol Island. So the ASEAN Summit is actually here on Bohol. It says they're welcome delegates. And it has all the countries listed. All the global leaders are just staying not too far from where I'm staying. A lot of police. I think there's something like 3,000 or 4,000 extra police on the island. Helicopters flying over, SWAT teams all driving around. I suppose it's good, it makes it a little bit safer to get around. Just stopped here at this nice looking church. Apparently it's 3001. Gothic, Roman, another style. This is one of the churches that was destroyed in the earthquake back in 2012. That would have been about a year before Typhoon Haiyan. I was actually in Palawan when that typhoon struck.
So this is new, it was never here, they just added it on now.
Oh, okay. Did it collapse?
4 years ago?
The year before the typhoon?
Yes.
Just had a nice little rest up there. Had a coffee, watermelon smoothie, bacon and cheese sandwich, and some appa, which is native crepes. And it all came to 350 pesos, which is about $6.50 Australian, or about $5 US. Good feed. I'm actually just going over to Baclayan Church. This is one of the oldest churches in the Philippines, I believe, or one of the oldest in Bohol. It was destroyed by the 2013 earthquake that hit Bohol. Magnitude 7 earthquake that struck the island. The epicenter was pretty close somewhere on Bohol. So we're just heading over to the church now. I know they've been renovating and rebuilding it since the earthquake. Just want to have a look and see if there's any damage that's still done to it. It's be interesting to see how they've recovered it and how the area is sort of rejuvenated after the earthquake. So it looks like they're still renovating it here. Got some scaffolding in there. I haven't really noticed anywhere that's super damaged. So that bit's off limits. So you can see the scaffolding inside the iron cast bars there. Alright, it's just a quick stop at Baclayan Church. So there's just been a tour bus that's just arrived there. Probably a good time to move on. Vote for your favourite Miss Baclayan 2017. I'm gonna vote for EE6. Look at yours. Miss Baclayan 2017. Very good. We're just by the ocean here, so it's smell the sea air coming in, a nice cool breeze. Feels like it's just starting to rain a little bit. So the rain will get you here, just on the bike, not even 30 seconds, and it's just started to bucket down. You get these like sporadic rainfalls where it just buckets down for maybe 5 minutes. It does go off eventually, but the heat causes the water to evaporate so quick off the ground. It just gets so humid and it's like hot and you're soaked through. So I'm under this little homemade shack. So stylish. That bike. Look at that pink. Comes riding today. Riding in style. Fuchsia pink. Electric pink. Alright, so the rain's died off a bit. I'll get back on the bike here. I'll pop the trunk. Go. Alright guys, we've just reached Loe River here. They have like a floating restaurant. You go up the river, get your lunch. And they've also got firefly watching. So that starts at 6:30 tonight. So I'll come back for that after the Chocolate Hills. It's pretty nice, watch the fireflies. So just a quick stop through the river, just over the river there. And the next turn off is up towards the man-made forest. Hey guys, just taking a quick stop here. This is the man-made forest just before Chocolate Hills. And when there's no traffic, the noise is just amazing. The crickets, it's like a massage on the ears. I'll sleep here with that noise in the background. It's so nice when there's no traffic or motorbikes or vans. Oh, you've got like a leaf falling. So peaceful. Nice. Just gonna take a few photos and then head on. Alright guys, so we just arrived at the Tarsier Sanctuary. So I'm just gonna go find my guide, just bought my ticket. And the guide's upstairs and he can show me around and we can check out these freaky little monkeys. Hey guys, how's it going? Just a quick scenic stop. This beautiful landscape, it's absolutely stunning. You just got little swifts flying around and you just got this green, luscious landscape. So beautiful. Then you've got like the Chocolate Hills kind of popping up in the background. I'll take some photos here and you can see the kind of the hill popping up in the background there. Absolutely stunning. I just had my motorbike fall on me, which was very sore. I just had it collapse off the side of the road and it landed on my shins. I'll show you. So my knees are absolutely destroyed. Beautiful yellow house here. I'm gonna go take some photos of it. Next stop will be the Chocolate Hills. Hey guys, how's it going? So I've just reached the Chocolate Hills lookout point. It's a little bit dark because I've arrived late, but I managed to get the drone up, get some shots. It's just absolutely breathtaking up here. It looks like a scene from Jurassic Park. You've got like smoke coming up in the distance. You've got all these sort of mounds of earth. It took me a while to arrive here. It took me, well, it's 5 o'clock now, 5:30 now, and I set off at about 11. So it's taken me 6 hours to drive. I drive pretty slow on the moped because I'm being extra careful. And I also stopped at a few different places on the way through. Managed just to catch the sun going down. So I hope I got enough footage on the drone to make the drive worthwhile. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning.